Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to insert your passport details on Booking.com account. So first we're going to open the Booking.com app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then next we're going to click on personal details under manage account. So there's the passport details option, you're going to click on it. So you're going to insert your first name, your last name, based on what's written on your passport. Make sure you're accurate with it. Then you're going to insert your passport number. Then you're going to insert your expiration date, as well as the issuing country. You guys can insert the country. Click on it and click on save. So after you consent by ticking on the box, you're going to click on save. So your passport details has been registered. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.